Push him. Oh, you got the ring. You got the ring. You want to push yellow? Yes, push, push, push. Push them, push them. Push them more, Mango. Push them all down. Can you push them all down? Yeah, you gotta push them harder. Good boy. Oh, they're coming down the spiral. 1, 2, 2 rings. Want to push them down more, Mango? The eggs are still on the spiral. You want to go get them? Go get the ring. Push them. Go get the ring. Very good. You got the ring. Now push them. Good boy. Push. Push, push. What are you doing up there now? Mango, come on. Get the ring. Mommy has the ring here. Come on. Go get it. Go get it. Yes, go get it. Go push them, Mango. Good boy. Push, push. Push, push. Oh, you got the ring. Okay, very good. Go get the ring. Push, push. You got the ring. Push them down. Yes, push, push. You got the ring. Very good. Yes, you push them all the way down. Push, push. Push them all the way down. Push them all the way down. Yeah, go get them. Go get Eggy. Oh, you like the yellow one. Oh, you got the ring. Very good. Mango got the ring. Very good. Yeah, Mango got the ring. Thank you. Hi, Mango. Go get the ring, Mango. The ring is on top of Green Bird's head. Can you get the ring? Can Mango get the ring? It's over here. Mommy just put the ring on Green Bird's head. You think you can get it off? Go get the ring, Mango. Good boy. Push. Push the eggs. Push the eggs down. Push the eggs down. Oh, you're throwing the ring up and down the slide. Very good. Wow, that was a big throw. Okay, very good, Mango. How about the eggs? Let's push the eggs down. Go push, push. Mango, go push the eggs. Come on, let's go push, push. Go push, push. Go push the eggs. Good boy, push them all down. Good boy. Oh, there goes Orange. There goes Orange. Want to push them down more? Want to push them down more? Go push them down, Mango. Go get the eggs. Go get Orange. Where's Orange? Where's Orange? You're playing with Greenbird. How about Orange? Where's Orange? You're busy playing with Greenbird now. You're feeding him. Yes, I see you're feeding him. I see the seed on the ground. You push him down and then you make him stand up. Where's Orange? Wanna go get Orange, Mango? Let's go get Orange. Let's go get Orange. Orange is over there. You see? Orange is over there in the spiral. Yes. Wanna go get them? Go push the eggs. Push, push. Push them all the way down. You're pushing Greenbird down. How about Eggy? Go push them down. Come on. Come on, push them down. Go push them down. What is Mango doing? You're bobbing up and down. You're very happy, right? You're doing a little dance? Yes, you're doing a little dance. Come on, Mango. Go push them down, Mango. Good boy. Push them all down. Good boy. Push them all the way down. Good boy. Yeah, you're pulling Eggy's legs. You can push them all down. Yes. What did you say, Mango?
Can Mango get to push that Mango? Come on, Mango. We're such a bad son, Mango. Let me push that again. Let's go, Mango. Come on, Mango. That's me. Come on, give Mama a kiss, kiss. Mango's a good boy. Give Mama a kiss. I love you, baby. Let's go. Be fun, son. Sweet boy, boy. Hi, Mango.
You're playing with Greenbird now? Hi, baby. What's baby doing? What's baby doing? Want to say something, maybe? Thank you.
Hi, buddy. Good morning, Orange. Chickadee. Come on, give Mama a kiss, kiss, kiss. I love
You're turning your wheel. You're shaking your whole play set by doing that.
Kiss, kiss. Hi, Chickadee. Kiss, kiss.
What do you hear? It sounds like the choo-choo train.